Postmodern Jukebox scouted me online. I'd been a fan of their music for so much time, and I'd really been like copying lots of their jazz arrangements, and I did a version inspired by them, which was all about the bass. And that was a video that they made like years and years ago, but they had double bass in it, and I decided to do a cover of it in a gig in September. And then they reached out to me, and it was amazing because they were sort of like, I had a call with Scott Bradley, the guy that runs the band, and he was like just talking to me about the experience. He's like, when we come to Cardiff, you can come and meet the band, it will be amazing. And then a couple months later, he was like, actually, I'd love for you to be a special guest, which was insane because I've been such a fan, and that's such an amazing experience for me, especially as I'm in second year. So I did that in the new theatre in Cardiff. I think before coming to college, like I'd done some performances for big audiences, but not my own music, not my own covers with double bass. I'd not really done much performing with double bass and singing before I came to college. And I think the tutors have given me a massive confidence boost. I had a couple of lessons with them, and it was amazing because then I felt like I had a lot more confidence to go on stage, knowing that I'd had some training for double bass, I'd had a lot of training for vocals, and I felt really comfortable to perform with the band and meet the band coming from conservatoire, because I think some of them have been to conservatoire, and it was nice to know that we all have shared experiences like that.